Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday in Los Angeles, California, which is usually a day I try to rest, but I also have to prepare for my work week. Here is my reset routine where I get ready for the week. I find that when I am productive on Sundays, I am less stressed because I planned for success. That rhymed. Okay, let's go. Last night, I went to sleep at around 11 p.m. because I was editing videos as long as I could. On the weekends, I try to sleep in and wake up without an alarm because I want my body to naturally wake up when it wants to. Usually, that's about 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. Today, I woke up at 7:05 a.m. and I scrolled through my phone because it's the weekend. Then I got ready for my workout class. I try to run 2 miles at least once a week, and if I don't get a chance to run during the weekdays, then I'll work out on the weekends and get a run in. Apparently, this is the perfect time to stretch, according to me. Then I rinse my face with some cold water to wake myself up, and there's really not much else going on. I am a very simple person, and I find that simplicity is the way that I can really stick to my routines. But I never head out the door without putting on my sunblock. Currently, I am using Elta MD. Good morning, everybody. So every morning, I already have my water bottle, my keys, and my fanny pack ready to go outside when I need to get out early in the morning. First, I need to take my prebiotics, my probiotics, and then head out the door. I already drank it, washed the cup, but believe me, I drink it. So typically I grocery shop on the weekdays because I find that the weekends have too many people. So my fridge is already stocked with groceries. What is happening to my voice? I don't even know. This is what happens when you're a teacher and a YouTuber. My fridge is stocked with all this food. That's not mine. I am going to stretch a little bit before I head to my workout just because I will be running quite a bit and I don't want to pull a muscle. Okay, time to start the day with a workout. Running shoes. These are one of the best running shoes. They are called Brooks. They provide a lot of support while you're running. In terms of gym shoes, I love my Adidas Ultra Boost. They are so comfy. I already have a list of everything I have to do today. I made the list last night knowing that I needed to organize all of my thoughts. Got home and I drank all of this water. It's 24 ounces, so I have about 2 more of these to go for my daily water intake. First, always gotta wash our hands when we come home from the outside world. I always feel like a surgeon when I'm turning off the faucet like that. I'm going to make a very quick shake, and by quick I mean literally it should take less than 30 seconds. Here we go. Here is one of the fastest smoothies. 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of frozen strawberries, and then a scoop of chocolate protein powder. Then you blend it all up and it's ready to go. So what you see is that I poured water into my water bottle. What I see is half the water ended up on the floor. This is definitely my go-to really quick protein shake because chocolate and strawberry taste so great. And it's weird because I don't like regular chocolate, but I like chocolate covered strawberries. Gotta do laundry. I always feel like laundry takes longer than it actually does. It only takes like an hour or so. Okay, so I just need to prepare for my work week and just mentally look over my schedule and make sure I know what I am doing. Okay, it It's now time to watch church in my PJs. Watching church in my PJs was something I really never would have envisioned. For my meal prep today, I am having bulgogi, which is Korean barbecue, and then gonna roast some broccoli. Whenever I roast my vegetables, I always like to put it on a pan with some aluminum foil, and then I'll bake it in my conventional oven. It's the small, tiny oven, and I like it because it saves electricity and it's really fast. I sprayed my broccoli with some avocado oil, and then I put salt and pepper all over it, and then I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. For lunch today, I'm going to make something called pepper lunch, which is kind of like a fried rice, but we're going to need something for the sauce. All of these ingredients and put it together. I'm gonna half everything because that seems like a lot. So I pretty much just put half of all of the measurements that you saw, and then I mixed it all together really well. Then I got this electric pan from Amazon, and it is amazing because I also make my shabu shabu in it. But basically you just throw in everything in here and mix it all up. And some kimchi. Being productive also means taking care of yourself, so here is my delicious lunch. Drying all my laundry and my workout clothes. Cooking my bulgogi. Here is my assembly line of Tupperware, and I'm just going to put some broccoli and beef in here. So much laundry. Oh, also, I went to the BT21 store in Los Angeles the other day, and I got this coin bank, but I don't have any coins. Makes me so happy. I also need to pack workout clothes tomorrow because I'm going to work out right after work. So let's just pack my things. Okay, skirt, shorts under, sports bra. So I pretty much air dry all of my workout clothes because that keeps it looking fresh and looking good. And the rest of the day, I am just going to relax. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye! Happy productive Sunday!